How to update your OBD2Scanz full system scan tool. Download the corresponding upgrade tool and install. One is for Windows and one is for Mac computer. Plug the device into the computer with a USB cable. Wait for the device to turn on and select Upgrade. Do not remove or press any button while the Upgrade Assist is loading, as this may cause certain errors. Once everything is loaded, you can now choose software you want to upgrade in the Download Center. Multiple selections are allowed. Now that you've selected the software you want to upgrade, just hit the Upgrade button and the update will begin immediately. Updating the software may take a while, depending on how many items you're updating. It is important that you do not remove the device or press any buttons while the process is running to avoid any issues. Once you see all the items marked as finished, you can safely remove the device from your computer.